Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share an empties video with you all, but I did want to film it in a different way than I have before. So I will be sharing products that I have recently emptied and what I have been using in its place. So if you are new here, my name is Nadia and I love to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any future uploads. Let's start with the Alpha H Melting Moment Cleansing Balm with orange leaf extract. This is a kind of luxe, rich, buttery, soft cleansing balm to deeply cleanse the skin, and she is empty. I really enjoyed this and just kind of used her up really quickly. I feel like this removed like all three brow products efficiently, mascara, any type of mascara efficiently. I don't always wear eye shadow, but it did remove everything so nicely, even the glittery eyeshadow. This does have alpha hydroxy acid, so if you do not like exfoliating cleansers, just stay away. But I really liked this. I do find the Alpha H packaging just to be so good. I love a good minimalist moment and overall enjoyed this. If I didn't have any other makeup removing balms, I would definitely repurchase. What I am using in its place is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is a super cleansing treatment balm. And the packaging here, I would say very Elemis. And I just got another one of these in the mail. I think it's their rose version of it, which I can't wait to try. This smells like essential oils, and I feel like it does have essential oils. This is a powerful, deep cleansing balm that dissolves makeup, daily grime, and pollutants. You want to smooth over face and neck, gently massage into skin, dampen and continue to massage. You want to remove with a warm, damp cleansing cloth. I enjoy this as well. It definitely melts into the skin and just kind of like becomes an oil, if you will. I do feel like I have to work this over the eye, like the brow area and the eye, carefully, because if I do get this in the eye, it does kind of sting and burn. I don't think I experienced that with this, even though this did contain AHAs. But this, I feel just kind of like I definitely have to be careful and remind myself not to open the eyes just because of those essential oils. If you are sensitive to essential oils, which I can be, especially lavender, I love that I can still use this without getting the irritation to the essential oils because this is a wash-off product. I imagine that if this was a leave-in product with essential oils, we would be in danger. But I do like this. If you enjoy kind of a warming balm to oil moment, this is a great option. I wonder if they have like an essential oil free version of this. I emptied this so fast, even though I got this a long time ago and I just dipped into it. This is the 6 Golden Botanical Cleansing Gel. This gently removes makeup, oil, and impurities. It contains adaptogens, angelica root, burdock, and antioxidants. I love this. This lathered so beautifully over the skin, and I do love that it has a pump. This is glass as well. This is vegan, clean, and natural. I do love just the glass packaging of all the 6 golden products that I have tried, at least the full size ones. Do love it. I think they're relatively small skincare range, so I would definitely give them a visit. Check out their website. Their facial oil as well is to die for. It's amazing, beautiful, love it. But I emptied this. So at first I began using my tried and true Best No. 9 Jelly Cleanser. And then I figured that we're going on vacation, and there is nothing I trust more on a vacation than Drunk Elephant products, so I stopped using this because this is the only travel-sized unit of this that I have currently, and I don't want to waste it when I'm at home, when I can take it with me while I am traveling. So I stopped using it, and instead, ladies and gentlemen, I began to use the Paula's Choice Ultra Gentle Cleanser. This gently cleanses without disrupting your skin barrier and leaves skin feeling soft and hydrated. This is definitely gentle, but it does not lather. And I find that gentle cleansers don't lather because they're SLS free. You want to wet face and apply a small amount of cleanser to your face and eye areas with vigorous yet gentle circular motions. Rinse well to remove heavy makeup. Repeat or use with a clean, wet washcloth. So my nighttime routines have become this, quickly followed by this. And I haven't had to do a triple cleanse even when wearing loads and loads of makeup. So in that sense, I enjoy this. This is like, it gives you that clean feeling without your skin feeling squeaky, clean, dry. Like my skin feels clean with this. I have tried the Paula's Choice Balmy, like the blue one. I'll put a picture of it here. I have tried that one and I enjoyed it as well. So I'm not sure if I've just been sleeping on Paula's Choice cleansers, but I have really been enjoying this. I feel like even during, like after my morning workouts, when I use this, my skin feels clean, it feels refreshed, it feels balanced, even though this doesn't lather, which I love. So I like this. I emptied the Elemis Superfood Kefir Tea Mist Priming and Hydrating Facial Mist. I enjoyed this. This has an earthy kind of scent to it. I loved the mist in this as well, and I use this so fast as well. Really, really enjoyed this. This is recyclable as well. What I have been using in its place is the Drunk Elephant Sweet Biome Fermented Sake Spray. This contains fermented sake and sodium PCA. This is more of an antioxidant rich, soothing, and brightening toner. This I find to be more of a hydrating, anti-aging, good for your skin microbiome spray. You want to shake before use, and I am almost running out of this as well. Oh my god. I do not use this as a refreshing spray. I mostly use it immediately after showering to hydrate, plump the skin, and I really enjoy this. I did review this as well. I will link my review to that up above. I feel like I was really harsh on this product when I did upload my review. I just think it can be kind of pricey, so I will put that out there, but I do love the mist on this as well. And in true elephant fashion, their packaging is just so cute. So I will link my review to the FARMACY Wake Up Honey Eye Cream. But they sent over kind of like a PR sample before the actual unit even launched, and I emptied this so fast. When I tell you, this was full all the way, and empty she is. I have still been using the FARMACY Wake Up Honey Eye Cream. This is especially for dark under eye circles, puffiness, and fine lines and wrinkles. It will kind of brighten up the eye area without the use of glitter. Love, 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 love. I will link my review to this up above. I do have an affiliate code with FARMACY, which is Nadia20. So using that code will save you 20% off your entire FARMACY Beauty .com purchase. So feel free to use the code if you want to give this a go, because I have been loving it. It is the eye cream that I am wearing under the eye area today. So if you like what you see, this is under all of the makeup. See Firma Fresh Day Serum by Drunk Elephant. 15% L-ascorbic acid. This was old. She's empty. I am going to open another one of these soon. But my go-to daytime serum has been the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. It is what I am wearing underneath the makeup today. And this has been a go-to. Before I ran out of this, I would alternate. So I would go in with niacinamide one morning and then vitamin C the next. Niacinamide one morning and then vitamin C the next. So that's how I emptied this. But I have not been able to put this, down either. Feel like I am so close to emptying this out. I have like about this much left. So this will become empty, and I think I have a backup. And what I will most likely do when I empty this is revisit my Paula's Choice niacinamide treatment. But I will link my review to this up above in case you have yet to check it out. This gives me the ultimate glow, and this gives me the ultimate glow as well, but this gives me the glow without the stickiness that this gives my skin. My favorite part of this serum is the enzymes, those smoothing, exfoliating enzymes, just so good. But I will be opening up a fresh unit of this. I emptied the Drunk Elephant Sweet Pity Deodorant Cream. This has been my favorite deodorant since it launched, and it did take my underarms a little getting used to. This does protect against odors, but it does not protect against wetness, moisture. And I replaced this with another unit of it. Absolutely adore this. The mandelic acid here has helped to brighten and give my underarms, you know, they're no longer dark. They're the same shade as the rest of my body, which is amazing. So if you are dealing with dark underarms, try this. I think it's like $16. That's how mine looks. She's pretty clean. And it is a creamy deodorant. So that did also take a little bit of getting used to, but I promise you, this is amazing. I feel like if you do live in humid climates, this may not be the best, because I did take this to New York, and boy, did I regret that. So maybe don't use this if you live in New York. Pacifica Vegan Collagen Recovery Butter. I enjoyed this so much. I miss this smell too. It's such a good, like, Target, perhaps Ulta Beauty might carry this. Really good. It really helped to keep my body from feeling excessively dry and itchy. I am out of that, and what I have been using in its place is something that I did mention in my December beauty favorites. I will link that up above in case you missed it and would like to see what other things I loved during the month of December. But I have been using the Osea Undaria Algae Body Oil, and clearly I have been loving this. This has softened up my knees as well. It just moisturizes my skin so well without feeling oily, and it does give my skin just kind of like the tiniest bit of a glow without, again, feeling too oily or greasy. It is a seaweed infused body oil that delivers a rush of antioxidant, mineral hydration that softens, smooths, and leaves skin glowing. Rich yet never greasy. Perfect. This intoxicating aromatherapy elixir enhances every inch. Massage onto dry or damp skin. This is cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, and recyclable. This is a glass bottle, and I'm so surprised I haven't dropped it and broken it. Love Love, 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 and this will soon become an empty as well. Use it every day after showering. Now I have the LYS Beauty Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer in the shade MN5. And I replaced this with the LYS Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer in the shade MN3. It is a concealer I am wearing today. This was featured in my Best of Beauty, and in it I said that this wasn't the best concealer I have ever used. But I bought it again, so maybe it is. I just really like the formula. It is full coverage and still considered clean beauty, and it's not like ultra oily hydrating finish. It has a natural finish and it's full coverage, which I always need. I do get 8 hours of sleep. I love to sleep, so if perhaps you aren't lucky enough to get 8 hours of sleep every night, try giving this a go. From what I remember, the NARS Creamy Concealer, that also had really good coverage, but on me, on my normal skin, it just felt like so dry. This does not. And finally, I have the Kosas Setting Powder and the shade Cushiony. This is empty, and I replaced it with the Kosas Cloud Set Powder in Cushiony. This is another, I think this is the 3rd or 4th unit I have repurchased, and this is what she looks like right now. I really need to clean my brushes so I can get to the rest of the powder here. But this is what the new product looks like, and there's already a pretty huge dent there. This is the powder that I am kind of wearing here along the lower portion of my face as well as my forehead area. I love that this has limited coverage, so it doesn't add coverage on to your foundation. I feel like this works very well over the Kosas foundation, over the Lady Gaga House Labs Triclone Skin Tech foundation, which is what I have on over the skin today. And it also works incredibly well over my Revlon drugstore foundation. So I will link my review to the Revlon product review up above. It's got a wear test so you can see it in action. But this powder is definitely one of my favorite setting powders of life. I think I actually picked this up on the Sephora website the day that it launched, just because I love Kosas so much. And to compare this with the Kosas concealer to me, even though I enjoyed it, it does lean a little bit yellow, and it does have a very luminous, creamy finish. And this has a natural finish, which I feel like looks the best on me and one which I enjoy, especially on my under eyes. That is all I have for you all today. I hope you enjoyed this empties video. Let me know if you enjoy this format a lot better. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you emptied recently. I'd love to know in the comments down below. I do enjoy seeing other empties videos and just seeing what people are using, loving, not loving, and what they recommend. So thank you all so much for spending some time with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I wanted to share it. I wanted your face washcloth. I